Morning, Pigeon family. This is Ham's Loft. Assalamu alaikum. It's been about a couple of weeks since my last toss. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what it was. Had a lot of rain. I did have death in the family with one of my uncles, so I've been going back and forth to North Carolina for the past 3 weekends, so I haven't had a chance to actually do any more tossing, but that's what happens. But right now I'm at 68 miles from my house. Well, yeah, 68 miles from my loft. I just called the wife. I'm gonna let the birds go at 8:30 in the morning. It's about 47 degrees. Got the birds right there. Had them sitting around them in an open field. Got off the interstate, looked in the open field, and that's where I'm at. It's a pretty good. I got some lines up there. They're not that close to me, but if the pigeons shoot out that way and make a turn, it's be all right. You can see the sun right there. It's a clear day. I don't know how long it'll take them to get home. Like I said, this is my first toss. I have been loft flying them. I added 2 more birds to the little batch, so I had 25. I added 2 more to it, so now it's 27. I've been loft flying the 2 that I added. I had a few more that I could have added, but it was do or die time. The race is a 100-mile race. It's Saturday. We supposed to be getting possibly rain on Friday. Well, so I've been letting the birds sit for a while. In the morning when I get up at 6, I try to get the birds about 6:20, 6:30, because sun just coming up. It's still a little dark, so when I leave the house, it's still kind of dark. It sucks, but it is what it is. I got the 100-mile race. My loft is 152 miles. The next race after that would be a 200 and then another 200. I'm going to try to run with those 3. And the race after that is 350. We had 2 weeks that we had bumped the race back because of weather. So that's about it. We see the birds. Okay. It's long enough. It's 8:30 in the morning. Let's go ahead and let these guys loose. See what they do. All right. They're gonna climb. Oh, it's looking good. They're staying together, even the 2 that I added. I really can't make out. I'm hoping that I'm getting them in the camera. Like I said, this is a 68-mile toss. I'm gonna probably post it before I even know if they made it back or not. Just to post it. They're still tight. You know, I can see the little 1 or 2 that turning late because they're the new ones that I added. I see them over the tree line. They are definitely heading the correct way. I don't think I'm gonna be able to keep them in sight too long. They're still making the turns. Hope they're still in the view. Everybody's together. I got 1 straggler who's flying on the back end, but he's still with them. Everybody seems to be doing good. I hope I still got them in sight. They are. I don't know if they. I ain't gonna tell you I know exactly which way they're heading, because I ain't gonna lie to you. I do not know. But they are flying together. 68 miles. I'm gonna try to toss them from this same spot tomorrow if I can. And that'll be Thursday. Today is Wednesday. 8:30 in the morning. I will be late for work. I can see that right now. I see one dipping down. He's still with the group though. They're still flying. I can still see him above the tree line. I hope I can still get him in the camera. Yeah, I can barely see him above the tree line. It's a lot of fog which way they're going to be flying, but it's actually should be burning off by the time they get to a lot of areas, or at least where they can fly high enough where they can get past it. All right, folks. I'm gonna just hang out here for a few seconds. I can still see them above the tree line. Yep, still see them above the tree line. I hope they're heading the right way, but they know better than I do. I'm trying to zoom it in. No, can't really do nothing, can't see it. Hit pause. All right, I just seen them come up. They still above the tree line over there. See them? They still circling. Not circling where I'm at. I think they still trying to get their bearings. They are definitely out of their element right now. They're 16 miles from the previous, 16 miles from the previous drop toss where I did it. I ain't got no choice. It's either do or die. Could have flew them short and to see what happens. They're still in the area. Up there, they're still in the area. Trying to keep them in view. I don't know which way they're going now, to be honest with you. I think they're a little lost. They're trying to feel their way around. I can still see them. This is why I knew I was going to be late for work. They're somewhere above that tree line over there. I'm hoping you can still see them. I can't see them right now. Hit the pause button, see what happened. Well, family, I can't see them no more. We're gonna cut this video short. 68 miles, 8:30. Temperature was 47 degrees. You can look from the trees, there's nothing blowing, still air. Hope they do well. 68 miles. All right. Peace. Subscribe, comment, do what you do. Shouts out to all the subscribers and all the people comment on my channel. I appreciate you. Thank you.